How to delete a contact in Zangi. Okay, let's quickly go over to how to remove a contact from your Zangi app. Maybe you are just tidying up your list, right? It's a simple process. First things first, open up your Zangi app on your phone. And once you're inside it, you will be directed to the chat section. Now you can usually do this by going out to the contacts list by tapping on this two member right between the phone icon and gear icon. And if they are on the chat section, you can simply go to the chat and delete a contact. So let's go to the contact. And here you can see I do have only one contact right over here. So I'll be showing you deleting this contact right over here. Let's tap on it and go to the contact section. Now scroll down. And here you can see an option called delete the contact. Simply tap on it and a confirmation will pop up. Simply tap on delete to make sure that you are sure that you are going to delete this contact right over here. Tap on it and you are done. You have successfully deleted a contact from your Zangi app. Wasn't that easy? That's it for today's video, and if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.